Okay, so what we've done, we have a nice piece of Brasstown beef here, nice ribeye. I have my pan with olive oil in it, heating up. You saw the caramelized onions with the brandy. Derek tasted each stage and then added a little bit of demi-glace to it.
I liked the demi-glace or the caramelized. I didn't like
the brandy.
The brandy.
Or the bourbon.
The bourbon, yeah.
Yeah, it was too strong.
Yeah.
Usually you use like red wine. But this reduces down pretty quickly.
It does,
and
yeah.
it's pretty strong.
It's very strong.
So, okay, so we're gonna nice pepper, good amount of salt. Okay, just massage that into it. Pan searing or grilling, when you're turning red meat, you never stab it. Do you know why?
You let all the flavor out.
Because it bleeds.
Bleeds, yeah.
So I had a chef one time, I was not in his class. This was like 3 classes before me. He had gone a little nuts. The student had a fork and he was turning the steaks on the grill. The chef said, you never use a fork on the steaks. And the kid said, why? Put his hand down on the cutting board and he stabbed the kid with the fork and said, because it bleeds.
Yeah.
Never do that. You think it's ready?
Yeah, I think it's ready.
Okay. So now what we're gonna do is, we have this side seasoned, so we're gonna turn it on that side. We're gonna fit it in the pan. Yeah, listen to that. Listen to that. That is exactly what you want. Now we're gonna season that side of it before we flip it. Now we're gonna sear this side. We're gonna flip it and throw it in the oven. And it should be ready about 15, 20 minutes. Pepper. Yeah, living out of the hotel? Now that would have been probably pretty exciting for a young man. Okay, see how that's nice?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this in. That steak smells great. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna take the steak out of the pan because it's done.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now it's a little fatty. And there we go. A little less fatty.
That's a good piece of meat right there. That's a good piece of meat.